Hello there. Welcome to Kirk TV. I am Kirk, and probably not the Jedi you're looking for. But if you're looking for some guy to tell you about all the nonsense going on in his garden, then I'm that person. I've got a garden and a lot of nonsense. Here's the cucumbers. If you remember last week, these bad boys were flush and flourishing and bright green, and now everything is just dying off big time. However, I'm still getting a lot of production out of these cucumbers. Here it is up the trellis. The other trellis doing okay. Getting some growth still on these trellises, but as you can see, a lot of death through here. It's just curling up and falling apart. But there are cucumbers in here. Let's go check them out. So in spite of all the wretched decay going around here, these cucumbers are still loaded with honeybees everywhere. Carpenter bees are coming in here, flying around, and I'm still getting a ton of big cukes. Check this one out. Big cukes. This whole area right here is just infested with cucumbers. Right here, check them out. They're way over here. I'll show you. We got a big cuke here, another here, up over here. There's some over yonder, another growing there. So there are a lot of cukes going on, even though we're seeing a lot of decay on the leaves and the vines here. I think it's a seasonal thing that said it gets about 70 days before this starts to happen. We're right about 90 days with these cukes. So I'm not too disappointed. I am happy with it. I'm getting like 12 to 15 cucumbers a day out of this little cucumber patch. It's really overwhelming, to be honest with you. I didn't think we were gonna get this many cucumbers. So yeah, yay on cucumbers. It worked out well for us this year. I'm happy about it. Let's go check out some of the other things we have to harvest. I got a nice batch of Romas here. Check them out. They're ready to be harvested. Let's get a good look at some of these Romas. Nice. One here. Again, with the tomato cages, I would never do a tomato cage again. This tomato's all jammed up in here. Some really nice ones around the back end. Romas. So hiding under here is the Lemon Boy tomatoes. These guys are ready. There's a couple on here. They're ready to harvest, so I'm gonna pull some of those out. I'm interested to see what those taste like. So Lemon Boy, they're ready. I also have a ton of the cherry ones, but we're not gonna harvest those right now. We'll get through that, but I am excited about these Lemon Boys. Big beef. These are big beef tomatoes, and they are big and beefy. Look at these, get a close up, check it out. Just almost doing the squeeze test. I think it's ready. I'm gonna pull it. If you pull it, I guess so. Pulling it, we are. Let's check it out. Add it to the collection of today's harvest. My head of security's over here. He's lying down on the job. Check this guy out. He doesn't charge much because he takes a lot of breaks, but he has been doing a good job at keeping the rabbits away from everything. We got some good zucchini popping here. Check these bitches out. Let's go. This zucchini plant must have heard me talking how I was going to chop it out of here because it wasn't producing, but then it just blew up. Now we have more zucchini than we can even handle here. Here's some more. zucchini to add to our collection of zucchini that I'm going to give away, because we discovered, even though we grew zucchini and have eaten a ton of it now, I'm not a fan of zucchini. So, hey, any good zucchini recipes that don't involve bread or being fried up or being put in pasta, let me know, because I'm really sick of zucchini. So we really ended up with a fantastic harvest today. Check it out. Squash, jalapenos, a huge pile of Roma tomatoes, lemon boy, and more cucumbers than I know what to do with. So that's it. That's today's harvest. Every day's like this. Tons of veggies coming in. This plot here that this is all coming in, it's like a 25 by 25 foot plot. It's not huge. So if you haven't started gardening yet, get into it. Start growing your own food. This is just a little bit of what I have right now. I got eggplant, I got tons of melons gonna start coming in. Carrots are coming in. Beans are coming in. It's gonna be amazing. You like beans, right, buddy? He likes beans. So if you haven't started a garden, do some research, look into it. Maybe next year you can start. Maybe this year you can start. Do it. Grow your own food. You really need to be responsible for where this food comes from, where your food comes from, because you never know when the food may stop coming. So be prepared. Grow your garden. Thank you for joining us. And if you'd be so kind as to check that link below here, buy me a tree. Goes towards Mountain Roots, the urban farm, the infrastructure. If you like what we're doing, don't be afraid to make a tiny contribution. If we're entertaining you, if you think Chewy's got a great smile, don't be afraid to throw us some dough. All right? So thank you. Have a great day. Uh-oh, something fell over there. Wonder what it is. We'll figure it out. See that? Security is on it. On it! So, have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe and share. That's about it. I think I've repeated myself enough here. Later.